issued tornado watch number
What the fuck?
274. Effective
They issued that an hour ago.
Daylight time Saturday. This watch includes
Did you do it again?
I don't know, their station's malfunctioning.
Galveston, and Harris,
Screwing up.
and the following coastal locations: Galveston Bay.
And there's no tornado warning either.
Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Why did they keep issuing tornado watches when they issued it an hour ago?
I don't know.
The National